Hello guys, today I will show you how to build a shipping container from your home. Here we are on the main website and it will just give you the full tutorials. I will leave the link down in the description. Here are all the steps and let's go over them. These are the books you can read to learn how to build your shipping container, just like build your own shipping container home step by step. The container home plans a project for the interior, for examples for the architect of how you want to build it and how you want to let it look, and my first container home. These are all the books. Plus there's a home interior design planner application with this package. You will own the books and it will save you a lot of time, of course, because you already have steps how to build it and it makes it way easier for you. For example, Green Architect is in their energy efficient building because that's really important in the time we are living. The view, and these are examples of how you can build it, and you will get this book for example, and here are only a few more than 180 topics you will get. The budgeting, which is really important if you want to build a shipping container home, the delivery coordination, the roofs, green roof and farming, the kitchen planning, and 60 shipping container homes from the world, so you have many to choose from. And there's a special bonus with it, home design planner application, so you can design your own home from your phone, for example, or your computer. This is how to do it, and it's only $47 right now, a one-time payment if you use the link in the description. It is an affiliate link, but you would help me out if you use it, and then you get this special deal, and that's how to do it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them below.